Memra is a system for memorizing any English words and collocations you want. It is a universal app used to activate your vocabulary. If you want to memorize a large number of words and phrases, enter your email and its password. Then you'll keep track of your vocabulary and progress. If you choose the option Enter without account, you won't keep track of the words you entered. This way you'll just see how the system operates. Choose your native language for auto-translation of the words you entered. We've chosen Spanish as an example. Memra is intended for all learners of English. Just choose your level of English.
Here you choose your memory type, that is the extent to which your memory is developed. You can take a test to spot your current memory type of tasks. Their number and sequence are dynamically adapted to your current memory type. Now that we've taken the test, we see that our memory type is good.
First of all, you enter any words and collocations
An
you
apple.
want to learn. The words are automatically voiced by the standards of the British English and translated into the language you've chosen. When you
Park
tap
your
enter on
car.
your mobile keyboard or translate on the screen. You can correct auto-translation, delete it and enter your
Park.
own translation, which is especially important for polysemantic words.
Fox. Keen on dancing.
Auto-translation is sensitive to the way you enter
Park.
your words, with or without articles or particles.
A park.
For example, the word park is automatically translated as a noun.
To park.
If you want to learn the word as a verb, enter it with the particle to.
Park your car.
If you make a spelling mistake, the word is voiced but
A
not
print.
translated. In this case, check your spelling. You can enter from 5 to 10 words in every unit. The optimal number of words to learn per unit is around 7, which corresponds to the capacity of your working memory. The maximum number if words in the phrase is 5. Now we'll see typology of tasks.
These tasks focus on matching words with their translation and vice versa. And here is a task from a more advanced level,
Fox.
as you need to hear the word or word combinations in English and
apple.
choose their translation rightly.
Cat. A table.
Here you can choose any picture you like for your words. Pictures are used as associations to stimulate your imagination and your memory. The pictures chosen are used in further tasks. Here is the task in which you need to match the words with their pictures. If you can't choose the right picture, take your own or draw a clue yourself. You can even put down a translation to save time, though it'll duplicate some tasks.
Attention! In some countries, the images service doesn't work. You need to use a VPN to choose images and switch it off after you've chosen images for the unit. The set of phonetic tasks starts with developing your pronunciation
An
skills.
apple.
The British
Fox.
English phonetic
Keen
symbols
on
are given as a
dancing.
clue.
Park your car.
Say aloud your
Park.
words. This task helps you check how well you perceive your words by ear.
Keen on dancing. An apple. Park your car.
In this task you can practice how to articulate long and short British English vowels as well as diphthongs.
Lake. Apron.
The task focuses on the contrast between the stressed vowels and helps you naturally
Parrot.
remember reading rules for vowels.
Apple.
The graphic task starts with error-free spelling based on the shell table, which develops your memory and stimulates your attention. Do it again option is for those who need extra practice in spelling. Typology of spelling tasks depends on your memory type. Here are some tasks to choose the right letter, enter missing letters or delete extra letters, the tasks which can help you overcome your spelling difficulties. This task checks your final spelling skills. Attention! You need to tap the image to go to the next image with the words. You tap next only after you check all the images and correct spelling where necessary. Here are some tasks to construct collocations, such as joining words together, entering missing words and arranging words in collocations. All the tasks depend on your memory type. Vocabulary in use tasks start with completing voiced sentences with their missing
Had a
words.
table.
At further levels you need to complete the sentences with the missing words without any voiced clues. This skill helps you pass any lexical tests and develop your vocabulary in use.
Your mistakes are shown after each task. They are counted and analyzed, and at the end of each section you need to correct your mistakes. This assigns your set of tasks for the next level. If you've made too many mistakes, you may have to do the section task again. The hierarchical model ensures reinforcement learning of any lexical units. New words are entered only at unit levels. Other levels are intended for revising your vocabulary in different combinatory sets. So you can enter new words only after you've revised the previously entered ones.
You can learn your words and phrases in any time mode you want. You set your time mode yourself depending on how often you enter new words and learn them. We recommend you to learn your words 10 minutes every day. Memra guarantees you long-term memorization of any words and phrases. You can learn up to 160 words for one cycle at 6 levels, if you enter 10 words per unit. If you enter 5 words per unit, you'll learn 80 words in one cycle. Then you can start a new cycle, so you can learn as many words as you want.
To choose your subscription plan, tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner of the screen.
If you want to start learning from the beginning, choose option, Start Over. Choose OK and start a new cycle of learning words.
At the end of the section, depending on your results, you get a clip with congratulations or encouragement. Enter your words and collocations, do tasks, and you'll learn your vocabulary once and forever. 10 minutes a day in Memra will do the rest for you.